3. The Young and the Restless reveals whether it is possible to overcome the temptations of evil and live the best life. Fans wonder why the writer persists in not changing the better aspects of Adam's life. He gets tired of constantly facing one difficult after another. Stay tuned for comments to see what others think of the matter. Perhaps the writer is being too harsh with Adam's character. Adam still can't accept that his baby and Sally were unlucky to survive. She was leaving work and suddenly fell down. The pain was transmitted, so she had to be rushed to the hospital. The doctors tried a lot but couldn't do anything else. Sally had really trusted Adam in the situation this time. However, it led him feeling frustrated. She believes that if it was more assertive, their child wouldn't have lost. Adam is also heartbroken, but Sally's lasting is what he cares about most. What will happen in the near future? On the forums, fans have left a lot of comments regarding this issue, and there was a comment expressing his displeasure. Why give such a plot of this character? Even when the relationship between the two of them is taking a new step, everyone feels regret when meeting the couple and who can't get back together. They criticize the writer on the issue because in the end, Sally and Adam really match. But things are increasingly making this problem go away. Will the writer really let Nick or Adam be with Sally? Kyle is really mad at the Summer for cheating on him, but there's no denying that he loves her very much. Although he is furious she conceals Phyllis' return, he nevertheless tries to keep his promise not to reveal it when they meet at the sports club. He said that if things were to be told soon, the police would come and take Phyllis away, but he wouldn't give them more time to work this out because he felt poor Phyllis. It's because he loves Summer and doesn't want her to be sad. But then when he returned home, he realizes that Summer had discovered everything early but still didn't say it. Even she knew how worried he was about his mother. He would tell these things to Mariah. She even said to her, she even said, never trust this woman. Look what she's doing. During this conversation, he caught Chance and talked about Phyllis. As for the fans, what do you think is going on? Will their married be life really end because of this? We will update you on the latest information soon.